Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without eggs. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create these delightful treats. This recipe ensures your cookies are perfectly soft and chewy, offering that classic sugar cookie taste everyone loves. Get ready to bake some truly delicious, egg-free cookies that are perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this fun baking adventure. To begin, you'll need some basic pantry staples. Grab your all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and a touch of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, along with vanilla extract for flavor, and a splash of milk to bring everything together. These simple ingredients are all you need for fantastic egg-free sugar cookies. First, cream your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, slowly incorporate your dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Once your dough is ready, it's crucial to chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step helps the dough firm up, making it much easier to roll out and cut into your desired shapes. Once chilled, roll your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut out your favorite shapes and place them on a baking sheet. Bake these beauties at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are lightly golden. After they've cooled completely, unleash your creativity and decorate them with your favorite icing or sprinkles. Enjoy your homemade, egg-free sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.